you want to be a legend in your own kitchen? How about with peanut butter? Yeah, peanut butter. Now, I like the natural peanut butters. Nothing against Skippy, nothing against Jif. I grew up on those and I almost turned out okay. But I like the natural peanut butters. The downside of those is when you open them up, there's a little skim coat of oil on the top, and that's all perfectly fine. And you can try and spoon it in or with a knife and just try and mix it all together, but your arm could fall off. It's a lot of effort. Now, I like to use a mixer. Let me show you. I have this ancient mixer. I've had this forever, and I just use it for one thing, and that's for the peanut butter. I have a stand mixer. I have a stick blender. I've got all of those things. But this is the one, this does it every time. Let me show you. I want to use just one beater in here. This is just like the most amazing, simple thing on the planet. And really, you've got the oil there. Take this, pop it in. But there's one hint. You got to hold on tight. Otherwise, it's going to go airborne. How do I know that? I didn't hold on tight one time. Here you go. That's it. It's as simple as that. It gives meaning to my old mixer. And this peanut butter, that's perfect. That's gonna, and it's not gonna separate at all. That's gonna last for as long as you have the peanut butter. It's that simple, and that's why another reason I love my peanut butter. There you go, the simple hint of the day. And if you like this video, please hit like and then click on subscribe. That'd be fantastic.